Ready to level up your measuring skills like a Bosch? Ito ang Bosch Intelligent Measuring Tools. Design para mas mapabilis, mas maging accurate at mas professional ang trabaho mo. Unahin na natin ang rangefinder. Perfecto for fast and accurate distance measurement kahit mag-isa ka lang. Available in red and green laser. Depende sa visibility na kailangan mo. One click, instant measurement. Walang hulaan. Next is laser leveling. Para sa straight lines, alignment at leveling, perfect sa installation works. Red or green laser options, mas visible kahit maliwanag ang paligid. For bigger areas, meron ding rotating line laser na perfect for full room leveling like floors, ceilings at large installations. At ang panghuli, detectors. May wall scanner at meron ding temperature detector para alam mo kung ano ang nasa likod ng surface bago ka mag-drill. Safe ka na, iwas sablay pa. Bosch Measuring Tools. Built for speed, accuracy at convenience. So, anong Bosch tools ang kailangan mo? Available ang Bosch Measuring Tools sa aming Lazada store mga kasangga. You can message us or visit our store today for more details. Dito ka na sa Hands Infinite Tools.